Fortune cookies for New Year's recipe. This New Year's, have some fun in the kitchen by creating fortune cookies. Homemade fortune cookies are far tastier than the type found in most restaurants, and you can easily customize the fortunes for your friends and family. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons butter, 4 egg whites, 1 cup superfine sugar, 1 cup all-purpose flour, salt, 3 tablespoons heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon pure almond extract. Preparation instructions: preheat the oven to 400 degrees F. Oven heat. Cover a baking sheet with cooking spray. Melt the butter over low heat. With an electric mixer on medium speed, blend together the egg whites and sugar. Add the flour and a pinch of salt, mix until well blended. Mix in butter, cream, and almond extract. Pour 1 tablespoon of the resulting batter onto the prepared baking sheet. Using a spoon, spread the batter into a 5-inch circle. Pour another tablespoon of batter onto the other half of the baking sheet, spread it into a 5-inch circle. 2. Bake about 8 minutes, or until edges are golden. Remove the baking sheet from the oven and place on a wire cooling rack. Quickly use a spatula to remove 1 cookie from the baking sheet, place it on a dish towel and fold the cookie in half. Pinch the top of the cookie, forming a semicircle. Continue shaping the cookie by putting your fingers inside each end, press the center of the cookie while simultaneously bending the ends into the traditional fortune cookie shape. You must work quickly, because once the cookie hardens, it cannot be shaped. Repeat until the batter is used up. Print fortunes on paper. Cut them out with a paper cutter, or decorative or plain scissors. Slip each fortune inside a cookie. No bake alternative. Love this idea but don't have time to bake? Buy some plastic ball Christmas ornaments that unscrew in the middle. Fill each ball with a fortune, and, if you like, chocolate kisses and confetti. Screw the balls back together and add a little curling ribbon to the loop at the top of each ornament.